Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be always with you. Welcome to Global Light Path. I am Rashad Mahmood from Toronto, Canada. Topic is global solution to bankrupt countries. Cities, provinces, states, and countries are being bankrupt, and people are losing patience. One of the greatest inventions of all time is wheel. With more and more inventions and more supersonic fast robotic machines, humans are being worthless and are being laid off. Many towns, cities, states, provinces, countries are becoming ghost towns, including super rich and superpower countries. The Union of Soviet and Socialist Republic broke down into many countries in 1991. United States of America has multi-trillion deficits. Chinese economy has also slowed down as well. You can see in the uh, news, Uzbekistan school teachers were paid in chickens instead of for the salary because the country did not have money to pay salary to their teachers. Swiss Council to accept Bitcoin payments. List of ghost towns by countries you can check on Google and internet. List of ghost towns in the United States, list of ghost towns in Canada, list of ghost town, the category ghost town in England. Well, in China, you can see also, welcome to Ordos, China, the world's largest ghost city. And there are many more. Example of cities, provinces, states, and countries are being bankrupt or becoming ghost towns. Take an example of the past time when 1,000 people were working in one farmland, and later they started using tractors and other fast machines, because of which layoffs started happening. And when comes super fast technology and more people were being laid off, perhaps they only need 10 people, then what those leftover 990 people will do, and what education they will need to get job. These 1990 people were good customers to many businesses while on the job, and now they are not. Same way, other businesses started using super fast technology and had laid off many employees who were customers to many businesses as well. And but not anymore. Although you are seeing other new technologies are coming into market, but later slowing down. Since they calculated for total population and thinking that everyone has money in the tree in their backyard. But in reality, they don't have. Since they have lost their job, later industries started shutting down, following by banks and governments as well. Super fast technology is exceptionally good for humanity if those leftover laid off employees are put onto new projects to support themselves and their families, which is only possible if we work globally. A student must have debt-free education. Extremely poverty is breeding ground for terrorists and criminal masterminds can use them. Globally, we can fix many things, but locally, I'm sorry. I have not seen a single business person doing very good business without any single customer. Customers are human. Hiring robots, firing people, robots and machine don't eat apple and oranges. So apple oranges and their farms and their business will be bankrupt. A single machine may replace thousands of humans, but not a single human can ever replace a single machine. Unlimited virtual gold as a new currency is the only solution to save humanity. Even using any limited currency like Bitcoin may fail since it is like temporary limited stimulus package. Like Greece had in few times it, and again in the line of failure. People need food 3 times a day and every day, not just once or twice in the lifetime. At city level, budget is fixed. Also at province and state level and country level, budget is fixed. We must have to go for unlimited virtual gold as a new global currency is the only solution to save humanity. Those who know programming can understand how can we create a constant global account of up to 38 digits and fix it, which will never decrease. We don't know exact date when crisis. We don't know exact dates when cities, provinces, states, countries are being bankrupt, either 100 years or 500 years or 1,000 years. But for sure, we have a solution in the Quran which teaches us to come to the common point without any discrimination of religion, race, sex, gender, color, nationality, rich, poor, young or old, etc. With 100% guaranteed and without any compulsion in religion. Before total collapse of present system, if we lose all advanced technology and start from the stone ages again, we must need to join together immediately and start working on new global system to build heavenly earth for true love with humanity without any discrimination of religion, race, etc. If all countries do not unite together, then perhaps people will be getting wages in chicken and salaries, rice salaries, and noodle salaries. If available, otherwise, they might have to work on volunteer basis, no salary, no wages. But for how long? Avoid loans and avoid waste and stop greediness as much as possible, keeping in mind how much is too much to help stabilize our global heavenly earth. Only true love with humanity in the light of Quran can save global world with 100% guaranteed. We must join together to fight against global poverty and global famine. Plant trees and vegetables, etc. in your backyard, on the side of the streets and parks, side of the parks, etc. wherever it is possible and permissible by your government. If you get more fruits and vegetables than what you need, then share it with your neighbors, your friends, your relatives, and support following program from the depth of your heart to fix global system which is hurting all. Below is a summary of great, unique breakthrough plan for global poverty and global system. Global world has to be fixed in phases since there is no magic wand as we as well as we don't have overnight solutions. Phase one, in this phase, we together need to save all the people who are badly suffering from global poverty and global famine. We will feed them, shelter them, educate them, and put them all on research and development and make them free from burden on rest of the world as much as possible. For this, we must have to use unlimited virtual gold as currency, only for basic survival, not for luxury, where a sip of wine is or smoking is luxury and will be treated as luxury, and but not the computer since it is for education studies. All global students will get totally free education along with stipends, allowances for their survival so that they can fully concentrate on their studies, which will help to build whole new world, heavenly earth. Phase two. Together, we need to work on in these phases to build whole new world and find solution to present global system so that people from phase one can be reemployed and redeployed. We will only give suggestions and recommendation from phase one and pray for them without any force. We will wait forever to fix global world, even if it takes hundreds of years or millions of years, as long as all people around the world and all government around the world allows us to run phase one globally using unlimited virtual gold as a new currency only for basic survivals, including their studies and research and developments around the globe. All prototype solution, suggestion, etc. will be totally freeware, no license needed, and will be fully allowed for everyone in phase one. In phase three, once phase two is complete, then we can move on for cosmetics, luxury, etc. to build heavenly earth, and sky is the limit. We must make sure that pollutions, etc., are totally under control. If you have better plan, please share with people around the globe. Otherwise, please join together and invite others to this great noble mission before it gets too late. And who knows, you could be next in line suffering badly from global terrorism. I don't ask a single penny for this in donation, zero donation. And it is a unique global charity without asking a donation, rather full permission from all people and all governments around the globe. Allah, if Allah asks on the day of judgment, I and those who support and promote this can clearly say, yes, we have done our best to invite people to support it, and but it is on the rest of the people and rest of the government. We can just pray and pray and pray. I invite you all to join this great, unique, noble global mission, to invite others and invite others to join it to save global humanity from global poverty and global famine, which will sure gradually reduce global crime as well, without any discrimination of religion, race, color, gender, language, nationality, etc. No changes without right actions. Roadblockers to humanity are those who don't join it, as well as those who do not do nothing to save humanity. Thinking locally while living in global world will not save our global world. Repeatedly relying on same corrupt or incompetent person will not change the fortune of a nation or global world. Do not even think to try to reappoint those who were failed to protect corruption in the land. Media must play an active role. Why waiting for saviors for thousands of years when humanity is dying now? Join us to save humanity now before it gets too late. Thank you.